Vlogging cameras have gotten seriously good with smarter tracking and rock-solid stabilization that make your footage look cinematic straight out of the box. Whether you're daily vlogging or filming travel reels, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the 7 best vlogging cameras that deliver sharper image quality with less hassle. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Xtra Muse. If you love that smooth cinematic look without hauling a big rig, Xtra Muse nails it. The built-in 3-axis gimbal keeps your footage silky even when you are jogging to catch a sunset or dancing through a festival crowd. You get that "buddy is holding the camera for me" vibe, minus the buddy. Framing yourself is painless. The 2-inch touchscreen makes it easy to tap focus, swipe settings, and flip between horizontal video for YouTube and vertical for shorts and stories. No adapters, no awkward menus, just shoot and share. Color matters when you want your vlog to pop. True 10-bit X-Log unlocks deep, gradable color that handles tricky scenes like sunrise reds and neon city nights. You can keep it natural or push a stylized look without breaking the image. Set it on a tripod, hit master follow, and stay locked center frame while you move. It is like having a tiny camera operator that never loses you. The standard bundle tosses in a handle with a 1/4-inch thread, wrist strap, and a carry bag so you can start vlogging the day it arrives. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. GoPro Max 2. If you are the kind of creator who hates missing moments, GoPro Max 2 is your safety net. You do not point this camera. You capture everything around you. Later, you use the app to reframe the best angles into share-ready clips. It is like time travel for your edits. The invisible pole trick is pure magic for solo vloggers. Mount it on an extension pole, and the pole vanishes, turning your walk and talk into a floating camera shot that looks like you hired a drone pilot. Hello, next-level travel B-roll. Experimentation is effortless. Because you are always filming a full sphere, you can choose ultra-wide, locked off, or selfie POVs after the fact. Stabilization and horizon locking can be tweaked in post, so your footage stays level even when your day gets chaotic. Practical touches rounded out for real-world use. Replaceable water-repellent glass lenses shrug off rain, ocean spray, and the occasional scuff. If a lens gets scratched, swap it and keep rolling. No downtime, no heartbreak over ruined shots. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. GoPro Hero 13. GoPro Hero 13 turns a pocket camera into a mood-making machine. The HB series lens mods change the look of your vlog in seconds. Go ultra-wide for immersive trails, switch to macro for detail-rich food shots, or pop on an anamorphic style mod for a cinematic squeeze without the hassle. Image quality is the headline. Video looks razor clean, which means more freedom to crop, stabilize, and pull crisp frame grabs for thumbnails. You record once and get content for every platform. Long form, shorts, and stills, all from the same timeline. Burst slow motion unlocks storytelling you simply cannot see at normal speed. Think powder snow exploding from a turn, a dog's ears flapping mid-sprint, or water droplets sparkling as you flip your hair. These are the moments that make people stop scrolling. And when your adventures get messy, the camera keeps going. It is tough, water-ready, and the hydrophobic lens cover helps prevent those annoying smears and flares. For creators who film first and clean up later, Hero 13 forgives your lifestyle and rewards your ambition. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. For travelers and daily vloggers, this camera is the definition of always with you. It slips into a hoodie pocket, yet the stabilized camera makes your walkthroughs and day-in-the-life clips look like they were shot on rails. No backpack gimbal, no setup tax. The rotating 2-inch touchscreen is a joy. Flip to vertical for a quick story, rotate back for a full vlog, and tap to nail composition fast. It is perfect when you are juggling coffee in one hand and content in the other. Active Track helps you stay the star of your own show. Set the camera down, step into the frame, and move naturally. The focus and framing follow without a second person. This is gold for cooking demos, workout sets, and get ready with me scenes. Color tools give you room to grow. With a gradable profile and 10-bit depth, you can keep things straight from camera for speed or push a stylized look when the story calls for it. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. tussvie. tussvie is the sleeper pick for creators who want big camera control in a compact body. The large touchscreen makes monitoring yourself easy, and the wide field of view means you can hold the camera at arm's length and still capture the scene behind you. Perfect for tours and street vlogs. Stability is the secret sauce. A built-in 3-axis gimbal smooths out sidewalk cracks, stair climbs, and quick spins to catch a reaction. It keeps your footage watchable so your audience focuses on the story, not the shake. Low-light options help you push past golden hour. Face tracking keeps you sharp during walk and talks, while slow motion and time-lapse add texture to your edits. When you need to punch in, the digital zoom lets you reframe without disrupting your flow. The bundle is travel-friendly. You get the camera, a memory card, cable, and a compact bag. Everything fits in a sling. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 6. If your vlog includes cold mornings, ocean dips, or mountain descents, DJI Osmo Action 6 is built for your environment. It keeps rolling when the weather turns and the light changes, so you can focus on your line, your story, and your safety. The upgraded sensor brings punchy color and detail to fast scenes, while the variable aperture helps you keep footage crisp from bright beaches to dusky alleys. You spend less time fiddling with exposure and more time capturing the moment. Audio is dialed for creators. Pair 2 wireless transmitters directly for on-the-spot interviews or 2-person walk and talks. No extra receiver hanging off your rig. Clear voices equal less cleanup in the edit and a more professional sound. Quality of life features add up. Built-in storage means you can record when you forget a card. Gesture and voice control start and stop recording when your hands are busy. And you can dive deep without a case, making it a one-camera solution for surf checks, cliff jumps, and pool vlogs. And did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. sjcam C400. This vlogging camera is the all-day, do-everything vlogging companion for creators who film sunrise to night lights. The image is clean and cinematic, with a wide, distortion-free view that flatters landscapes and tight interiors alike. It makes your scenes feel immersive without that fishbowl look. Stabilization is a standout. With advanced electronic smoothing and horizon correction, your footage stays level during sprints, bike rides, and chaotic city walks. You get the energy of motion without the nausea, exactly what viewers love in modern vlogs. The wireless controller workflow changes how you shoot. Mount the camera where it gets the best angle, on a helmet, a scooter, or a high shelf, and monitor from the controller. You can adjust framing and settings without breaking the moment, which means more usable takes and fewer reshoots. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best vlogging cameras you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.